I have a short video for you guys today. With the holidays just around the corner, I wanted to make a couple of Christmas tree boards. One for a breadboard and one a little fancier for a serving tray or a charcuterie board. I already glued up the wood, sanded it flat, and so the wood was all ready to go. So I just placed the template on the board, traced around it, and cut out the design on the bandsaw, being careful to stay just outside the line. If you don't have a bandsaw, that's okay. A jigsaw works great too. Then just 3 or 4 small pieces of double-sided woodworking tape will hold the template in place. You don't want to use too much tape because that stuff does stick good and it'll be tough to take the template off if you use too much tape. Here I'm adjusting the 1/4-inch compression bit so the bearing rides on the template, but the bit doesn't actually cut into the template. If you don't have a router table, you can just use a standard hand router with a flush cut bit or a template bushing. Those work just fine too. If you're getting any value out of this video, could I ask you a favor? Could you click that like button below? It helps my channel grow and I'd really appreciate it. And also make sure to subscribe. It's totally free and it notifies you the next time I release a video. Just a steady pressure and that tape will release and it doesn't leave any residue. I like to give the edges a quick round over using a 1/8 inch round over bit before I do my final sanding. I like to use the Howard Butcher Block conditioner. It has the waxes and oils all in one. It's easy to put on and it's kind of fun. I'll leave a link below if you want to check out these templates. I make them in 4 different sizes, and it really does make it easy to route these out. I also make other templates if you want to check them out. Thanks for watching. See you next time.